Have you ever noticed how the silence of an important person can become deafening? That emptiness that invades your chest and doesn't leave you in peace, uncertainty dominating your thoughts. What is she thinking? What does she feel now? What secrets are hidden behind every word left unsaid, behind every averted gaze? It seems you've reached a turning point. This distance, this coldness. Something needs to happen to break this cycle. Today is the day to dive deep into this situation, understand what's behind this behavior, and more importantly, discover how you can turn the game in your favor. This change is screaming in your face, and it can no longer be ignored. Something has crossed the line, and it's clear as day. It may be through her manner, the action she has taken, or even her choice of company. The truth is that the environment around her exerts immense pressure, like a domino effect that started small but quickly grew, bringing you to this point of distance. This separation, this feeling that she is no longer a part of your life, is consuming you now. And maybe that's exactly it. She chose to follow a different path, a path that doesn't include you. It may be painful, but it is reality unfolding before your eyes, without trying to soften anything. It feels like the universe is conspiring, giving that subtle sign that only those who are attentive can capture. Something has changed, and it can no longer be denied. You know when things get out of hand and someone crosses a line with no return? That's exactly the feeling. Time passed, and honestly, it's hard to know for sure what this person did or didn't do while they were away. But you can feel that the separation was much more intense, deeper than you imagined. The distance isn't just physical, it's emotional, spiritual. And this energy that hovers now carries a weight, a kind of lesson that the universe seems to want to teach both of you. The curious thing is realizing that all this started with a decision that seemed small but ended up triggering a series of events. It's as if life, destiny, or whatever you want to call it, loves to play with coincidences. It's almost ironic that the same decision that set the situation in motion is now the one keeping it going in circles. The person apparently is doing nothing, no movement, no action, no attempt at rapprochement. And paradoxically, this inertia, this lack of action, is what most affects the future of what's happening between you. This feeling of being stuck in time, as if everything is in slow motion while the world around continues to spin, can be overwhelming. It seems like something was left unresolved, that there are still unfinished matters between you. It's as if the connection between you is in a limbo, the body motionless, but the mind racing. And even without realizing it, she is deeply connected to you. It's almost as if each of her thoughts, no matter how distant they seem, is still drawn to your presence. This energy, this invisible force, still pulses intensely between you, and she feels it, even without being fully aware of it. Maybe she doesn't understand why, but the echo of your presence continues to resonate in her mind, keeping her connected, curious, almost as if she is about to discover something important. It's all so alive, so latent, that it's as if you were still there, beside her, even without being physically present. There's something jumping inside her, something like a drum that only she can hear, a call that pulls her out of calm and throws her into a whirlwind of thoughts. Have you ever felt that moment when everything seems frozen, but at the same time there's an invisible force pulling you forward? It's as if the whole universe is whispering in your ear, telling you that something big is about to happen. And she feels this so intensely that she can hardly stay still. It's a strange moment where silence speaks loudly and quiet becomes unbearable. There's a message trying to cross this invisible barrier, but she doesn't know if it's a message from her to the world or from the world to her. Maybe it's a bit of both. It seems like something enormous is about to be born, a connection forming beyond what can be touched. A conversation without words, just with intention and an open heart to listen. Maybe she doesn't even know exactly what she needs to do, but somehow, she already knows. It's as if all the answers are hidden inside her, just waiting patiently to emerge. She thinks so much that sometimes it paralyzes her, but soon this internal energy pushes her to act. There's something different in the way this person connects with you, an energy that goes beyond the norm. Maybe you have already started to feel this, or maybe it's just beginning to reveal itself. It's not like a common conversation, where you see the words being said. It's deeper. It's as if there's an exchange of feelings and thoughts on an invisible level, a silent exchange that happens between souls. It's as if, even without talking directly, you are having a kind of dialogue in an invisible place, where speaking is not necessary. Maybe you're not ready to recognize or understand this completely yet, but the feeling is undeniable. Have you ever felt that powerful and mysterious intuition we all have but don't quite know how to use? Well, it plays a crucial role in our connection with others. Imagine that this person whom you feel so close to is trying to communicate with you in a way that goes beyond ordinary words or gestures. It's as if they are using an invisible language to send signals. Maybe you perceive these signals through songs that move you in a special way, those that appear out of nowhere but seem to speak directly to you. Or perhaps in dreams, when you close your eyes and this person appears, leaving sensations or messages that stay with you when you wake up. Sometimes it's a strong intuition, an overwhelming and unexpected feeling, like a silent certainty that they are trying to tell you something very important. You might wake up with a thought or a message in your head, as if it was whispered directly into your mind from the night. It's a feeling that you can't ignore because it affects you in a way that no ordinary word could. It's undeniable. This person is trying to communicate. Even if the words aren't clear and the connection seems confusing, the message is there, waiting to be perceived by you. And there's a deep meaning in all of this. It's as if they have chosen this way, communicating through something greater, be it God, the universe, or some higher force, because they know it's important to you. There is an intention behind this choice, a desire to speak directly to your heart. She is trying to reach you in so many ways. It could be in your dreams, through signs that appear out of nowhere, in music that plays unexpectedly, or even in an inexplicable feeling that suddenly surrounds you. These small moments, which often go unnoticed, can be full of meaning, serving as a reminder that her energy is still present, trying to manifest and be felt. The secret here is your willingness to believe in these messages. If you close yourself off or if your heart is wrapped in doubt, everything can become more difficult. The energy, which flows so naturally when we are open, might encounter barriers raised by fear or disbelief. You might feel at times that she has drifted away, that she is no longer by your side as she was before. But the truth is she never left your energy, never stopped being present. The confusion might be in how this communication is happening now. She might have used to communicate in a more direct way, as you were accustomed to. But that has changed. Life, the universe, the circumstances. Something transformed the dynamics of the communication, and now you are faced with a new type of message. It's okay if this leaves you a bit lost or uncertain. This is part of your journey, trying to decipher these changes and understand what is really happening. She is thinking about you and wondering what happened. It's possible that this is becoming more present in her mind now, and maybe that's why she is trying to get in touch. This message shows how much she is feeling about herself, in a moment of deep self-reflection that is directly connected to how she presents herself. Pay attention to these changes and open your heart. It could be the beginning of a new form of connection between you two. She knows she is no longer the same person you met, but at the same time, she feels she is presenting herself in a somewhat evasive way, especially to you. Perhaps she is experiencing a roller coaster of emotions, but she has always been very careful about what she reveals. However, with you, it was different. And that confuses her now, preventing her from acting. Something about you made her let her guard down because everything in how she presents herself now is so different, even in communication. This is not typical of her, but somehow you made her very open, to the point where she wonders if she is revealing too much. So, any message you are receiving from her now is likely filled with intense emotions. It's like a deep dive into her psyche, to understand who she really is and where she is on this journey with you. She seems to realize that she is showing you everything and tries to understand why. This doubt or questioning energy is leaving her paralyzed now. It's almost as if she knows, deep down, that she should handle you in a specific way. She was raised to be more reserved and mysterious, but now she wonders why she is acting so differently. She feels an unexpected vulnerability because this is outside her comfort zone, and you are the only person with whom she feels comfortable being so open. You have a unique role in her life, and this doesn't bother her, it just surprises her. It surprises her so much that she is trying to figure out how to approach you now. It seems that something has paralyzed her and forced her to reflect. She won't be able to act until she finds a conclusion that makes sense to her on all levels. And she feels you deserved this trust from her. Have you ever wondered how she really feels? Well, this is how. She is standing, thinking about how to talk to you, because she entered this connection with a certain plan. It is fascinating to realize that she had a strategy in mind and now, revisiting her feelings, she is reconsidering what she thought before. She saw things one way and realized you two were in a different rhythm. Maybe this difference emerged in words or just in energies. There is something spiritual here, and the fact that she is trying to talk to you through messages like this shows that she is on a path of growth. She observes you, captures your nonverbal signals, and perhaps even analyzes your reactions. It seems that she is beginning to notice a difference in your intentions or plans. Now from afar, she is re-evaluating this whole connection, and this energy of reflection is quite strong. She had a well-thought-out plan to follow, wanting to create a genuine connection with you, without worrying about titles or status. Maybe that's where some misalignment arose, because she understands the dynamics of relationships differently than you do. Although she was open and expressive about her feelings, she had a good reason for that. It was a very thoughtful energy, and that's not even her way with other people. But when it comes to you, it seemed natural, even if she doesn't exactly know why. She was seeking more than just any connection, something that broke the barrier of words and sporadic meetings. Deep down, she longed for a real space in your world, a continuous and deep bond with you. And it is in this desire that the energy of planting seeds is born. Because this relationship is not static or stuck in time, it is a dance, a subtle movement between you, even when there are no exchanges of words, even when silence fills the air. You've probably wondered why she acted a certain way, why she approached you wanting your attention but without demanding anything directly. It was as if everything followed an invisible plan, a script known only to her. The truth is, there was indeed a profound meaning behind these actions, something you might not have realized yet. She wanted to build something solid before taking bolder steps. She didn't want to skip phases or risk uncertain paths. For her, it was crucial to create a firm foundation. She wanted to understand you in layers, slowly, observing every detail, every gesture, and every silence. This was her way of ensuring that the ground was safe for both, guaranteeing space for this connection to grow and thrive. Even if you didn't notice right away, her actions had a clear intention. If you've wondered about her motives, know that she definitely had them, but perhaps not in the way you imagined. She wanted to overcome any of her past experiences, but her way of doing that might have been quite different from what you expected. Maybe you never talked about it, maybe she thought things would happen naturally, but they ended up taking a different course. Have you ever felt like you were talking to someone, but felt as if your souls were discussing something deeper? This is what we call elevated energy. Part of the reason you haven't heard from her is because she feels blocked by a higher force. This confuses her because, at one point, she thought she had the green light to move forward, but now she feels stuck. She realizes that when something greater prevented her from moving forward, it was because her intentions came from a place of truth and honesty. She entered this connection authentically, even if it was misunderstood. This is what she uses to explain the current situation between you. If this message resonated with you, it may be a sign that something needs to be adjusted internally to achieve higher communication. The person in your heart is in a time of deep reflection and seeks to align spiritually for a possible return. It is a period of preparation and transformation, and despite the distance or lack of contact, the bond between you remains strong and significant. Keep the faith, continue believing, and allow time and reflection to do their work. Trusting the process is essential. After all, what is true always finds a way to manifest. If you feel that this love has made you better, share your experience in the comments, because what you feel is also important and may be connecting you in a much deeper way than you imagine. Let these words echo in your soul. The universe is committed to your success and will continue to guide you towards positive results, regardless of the choices you make. Never forget, you are worthy of a love that seems destined by the stars. To truly embrace this message and all the blessings it brings, write "I accept" in the comments and open your heart to receive divine will today. We want to know what you think, so share your thoughts in the comments. And of course, give a like and subscribe to the channel to not miss the upcoming important messages. May God and the universe illuminate each of your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.